Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics, still on BECE 2025, question 4A. A woman borrowed 5,300 Ghana cedis to pay for her child's university fees. If she borrowed at a rate of 8% simple interest per annum for 9 months, you have to find the interest paid. Let's recall that finding interest, if I'm looking for simple, okay, let's bring out the data from the question first, then we think about the formula. So what are the information given? Amount borrowed is always the principal. So we have the principal, which is labeled P as 5,300, right? Child fees at this rate. So your rate, which is labeled R, is 8%. That's 8 out of 100. Simple interest per annum for 9 months. That's time, which is what? 9 months. But remember, after in simple interest, it is per annum. It's yearly calculation. So the time is in years, not in months. So we have to convert this into what? Years by dividing by 12. And that will give you 3 on what? 4 years. Less than a year. So we have this value. We can convert this into decimal, then work with it or work with the fraction the way it is. So now by recall, we know that simple interest is the product of the principal, the rate, and times, where the rate is in percentage. So we can just say principal times time times rate, but the rate is in percentage, so we can put that in there. So if I have my principal as 5,300, the rate as 8, I think I changed the position, but I wanted to put let me write it in order, not to change the position. The time is 3 divided by what? 4. So the 3 will be coming down. The 4 will be coming down. Then we multiply by 8 divided by 4 times what? 100. This 4 is divided by this. So it will come down and multiply this one. Alright, so what do? We multiply all of that. I can see this will go here 2 times. This will cancel these 2 zeros. So I should be left with 6 times 53. Is that it? And 6 times 53 will be giving us 300 and what? 18 Ghana cedis, meaning the interest that the woman will be paying on the amount 5,300 per the rate of this in 9 months is going to be 300 and what? 18 Ghana cedis. I believe you understood. The concept is just the same, just that the time must be in years, not in months. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and bye-bye.